Picture an eagle hunting. You're probably imagining it swooping down to snatch a small fish from a lake, or maybe grabbing a rabbit out of the brush. But high up in a wilderness, these birds hunt much larger, more dangerous animals. We're talking about deer, wolves, and fully grown mountain goats. This is the golden eagle. It gets its name from the distinct patch of light golden brown feathers resting right on the back of its neck. An adult golden eagle weighs about 10 to 12 pounds, roughly the same as a common house cat. Even so, it consistently takes down mammals 10 times its own size. To understand how, we have to look past physical strength. This bird hunts with a completely different, almost unfair set of rules. To start, look at the physical scale. Their wings are broad and long, often stretching over 7 feet across. If we add a male eagle to this comparison, you'll see a significant size difference. In this species, the females are noticeably larger and heavier. When they hunt from above, they go into a tight, plunging dive. By tucking their wings against their bodies, they can reach speeds up to 200 miles per hour. Most of the time, their standard fuel consists of smaller mammals like hares, ground squirrels, and marmots. Living in a cold, high-altitude environment burns a lot of energy. To survive, a golden eagle needs to eat about half a pound of food every single day. Their primary tools for catching a daily meal are these yellow feet. They use these razor-sharp, heavily curved talons to grip and crush their prey. These traits make it a perfect hunter for small game. But speed and a strong grip alone don't explain how it kills a 100-pound mountain goat. The secret is where they choose to live. Golden eagles stay away from dense forests and cities, preferring wide-open mountainous spaces. They look for a very specific type of terrain, landscapes defined by steep drops, jagged rocky ridges, and sheer vertical cliff faces. Now, place a large animal, like this mountain goat, on a narrow ledge thousands of feet in the air. The eagle launches its attack from above, striking the animal completely by surprise. The goal is to create immediate shock and disorientation. Instead of trying to deliver a killing blow with its beak, the eagle sinks its talons in and uses its momentum to throw the animal off balance. Once the prey is stumbling, the eagle actively steers it toward the edge of the cliff. It lets the mountain and gravity do the work. These cliffs serve a mechanical purpose. By using the landscape, the bird uses gravity to bypass its own physical weight limits. This strategy works because the eagle understands the physics of its terrain. It wins by using geometry and momentum against much larger opponents. Humans have watched this bird for thousands of years. Ancient Roman legions carried these bronze eagle standards into battle as their most sacred symbol of military strength. Imagine you're out for a hike in the mountains of the Northern Hemisphere, and you decide to look up at the sky. Look for a very specific silhouette. While soaring, golden eagles hold their wings in a slight upward V shape, rather than keeping them flat. If you see that shape gliding above the ridges, you're looking at a predator that has dominated these skies since the Pliocene era. In the wilderness, a predator that learns to use its environment as a weapon is infinitely more effective than one that relies on strength alone.